Let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So I came around this post, right? I am as shocked as the post is, right? From MDN News. It says Musa Kawula was arrested at the Frenberg Magistrate Court in the Western Cape following his murder charges appearance, right? After his appearance, he was served with a civil case warrant in Gauteng. In May, Kawula made allegations on social media against Nozuko Mbalula and Michelle Perot, accusing them of bribery to secure government tenders. Mbalula and Perot obtained an interdict against Kawula, with the court requiring him to pay 1 million. Guys, Musa, I've seen him on the street. He does not have 1 million, but the court. But nonetheless, 1 million in damages, cover legal costs, and remove the defamatory statements within 48 hours. Now, Kawula states he cannot afford to pay the damages. Guys, Umusa Kawula has not learned nothing. Guy has not learned anything from Jackie Pamut. Tell me, did you hear about it? Is it true? But while you're at it, do like, share, and subscribe.